Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, today, as a follow-up to my Dollar Tree Shop With Me video, I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. Now, it is a rather small Dollar Tree haul because I really didn't find a lot of items, but nonetheless, it is a haul and I'd like to share with you what I did purchase. I purchased 2 bags. And if you want to see what's in those 2 bags, please keep on watching. First of all, I picked up this, well, that's really zoomed in. I picked up this clear cosmetic bag or pencil case or brush holder, whatever you want to use it for. And it is with the colored feathers, and I thought that was super pretty. And again, I like that it is transparent and the zipper is quite nice. And I don't know whether or not I will use this for makeup or whether I'll keep this to keep receipts, organize my purse or coupons or what have you, but I thought it was super cute. And again, I'm loving the feathers. I love see-through cases, so I couldn't leave this one behind. Super cute. Next, I picked up 2 of these little LED lanterns. I thought these were super cute, and I like that they're like a pewter silver finish. Now, they are plastic, but you can see here they are battery operated, and if you remove the little tab there, probably won't be able to see it because I have the flash on, but let's see if we can turn it on. And you can see the light in there. Obviously, if it is darker, you would be able to see it. Maybe if I turn off the light just a tad, you can get an idea. There you go. And I thought this would be cute for the summer to maybe put in my backyard on top of my outdoor table. So I thought that was cute. So I did pick up 2 of those. And I always recommend that you do test them because some of them don't work. Usually if they have the tab in them, you're pretty much guaranteed that they'll be okay. So let's shut that one off so we don't waste the battery. I picked up some twine just because I needed it for a DIY, and there are 180 feet or 54 meters in this one. I couldn't leave this little guy behind. So cute. It's the little chef, and I'm gonna sit him on my stove. And he has a little cupcake over there, and I thought he was so cute, and he has that mustache. Reminds me of the Iron Sheik. If you know who the Iron Sheik is, comment down below. But I just thought he was super cute with the dangly little legs. So, so, so cute. And I decided to take him with me. So let's sit him right over there. Well, actually, we'll move him from over there. I picked up this planter. You can see that it says flowers and gardens. It's like a tin, and I thought that was cute again for the outdoors to put on top of my outdoor table with maybe some faux succulents or some greenery, just to add a little bit of extra greenery to the outdoors and just to put on the table so while we're eating we have something pretty to look at. So haven't decided 100%, but that's probably what I'm going to do. So I thought that was cute. I also found the cactus. I was so excited, the porcelain one. So I got this one right over there. And I got this one. I just got the 2, but I believe there are 3. So I just picked up those 2. And I thought those were so cute. Picked up this gray tea light holder, and I just absolutely love the shape of it. And gray because it goes with my decor, and you can see the tea light goes in there. So yeah, I thought that was super cute not to come home with me. So to put on a side table, or I mean the uses are endless, but I thought that one was super cute. I picked up a couple of bulbs. I picked up the gladioli. There's 6 bulbs. It says easy to grow, we shall see. But I just love these, and I love the height that it gives in the backyard. And I also picked these one up, and these are more of your purples and pinks and whites. So I picked those 2 up. And last but not least, I told you this was a small Dollar Tree haul. I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these planters. Let me see if I can scoop you up here. They're just your average gray, beige type color, and it's square shaped, and it kind of tapers down at the bottom. And again, I just thought these were super cute. You do have to drill little holes in them because there's no drainage there. But I thought these would be super cute for my backyard. I like to have random pots in my backyard with pops of color. I just like the shape. It's very classic, and I think that will look nice with some flowers in there. You know, just randomly placed in my backyard in the little empty nooks and crannies. So I thought that was cute, and I love the color. It's like, you know, again, it goes with my backyard decor. And that was it. That was my little Dollar Tree haul this time around. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, let me know down below, what are you finding at your Dollar Trees? And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.